So what we have here is a 400 BC samurai sword. This was forged with molten lava from Mount Fuji. You can actually see the detail on it. It's not signed by anybody, but when they gave it to me, they did say that way back in the day there were these mutated turtles that fought with these swords in Japan or something. I'm not sure about the real history, but if you have someone that would like to buy a samurai sword, 2 samurai swords, just comment below and I can send it via FedEx, UPS, or carrier pigeon, right? Guys, how about that new intro? Pretty slick, right? Yeah, I've been working on it. So if you saw our last video, you probably thought I was exaggerating when I said we're going to be selling everything we own. We're not exaggerating. We really are going around looking through the house going, how are we going to sell this stuff? And there's certain things where my salesmanship abilities are going to be lacking, like a samurai sword. I don't really know what to say to someone. I say, hey, do you want to buy this sword? You can go around and sword stuff with it. It's cool. I don't know the practical use of a samurai sword. But I do know that when people walk in, they look over and go, hey, is that a samurai sword? And you go, yeah, it is. And that's pretty much all I say about it. So I have to work on that as I go through and sell things. Now, as we walk around the house, I notice we have a lot of weird stuff like samurai swords. We have some very niche market things that I don't think I'll be able to sell really easy. A lot of people, everyone has like furniture and beds and dishes and TVs and electronics, and all that stuff's really easy to sell. But how do you sell a samurai sword? How do you sell the other interesting things that we have? Let me show you. Hi there. Well, what I have today is this blue parachute. It has really lovely harnesses and it's very soft and it's colorful and it has this red handle for emergencies. You know, and they always say you probably won't need it, but when you do, you better have it. And I think that goes for parachutes for sure. And if you don't like a blue parachute, we can sell you a purple and pink parachute. We have guitars and Mickey Mouse hats. Are you feeling left out at the latest Cinco de Mayo party, like you're not festive enough? Well, tune in to Bottom Line Up Front's home shopping YouTube channel and you'll be the life of the next Cinco de Mayo party with this sombrero. I honestly don't know why I have so many Blu-ray players. You need a 65-inch TV to plug your 2 Blu-ray players into. And no house is complete without a fake palm tree. You need this. You need to buy this from us because you need it and your friends all have it and you don't have it and you want a fake palm tree. Look at this lamp. Look at it. Look at this lamp. Look at that lamp. I love lamp. And maybe you're worried that someone else is gonna buy all this awesome stuff right out from under you, right? Just send me a message and we'll do a bundle deal and you can buy it all right now. You'll be the coolest person in your neighborhood. Now, I just started posting things for sale like 2 days ago, so breathe easy or breathe underwater. Everyone needs a scooter. We have a bed and another bed and another bed and a couple beds upstairs. I have to sell these jet skis, I have to sell the sailboat. It's gonna be a hassle to sell the sailboat because before you can sell it, the guy's gonna come, he's gonna wanna go for a sale before the sale can go through, so that's just gonna be a pain in the butt to sell. Do you need a sailboat? Being that I was in the military and Maggie's currently in the military, we're both very safety minded and therefore we have a lot of helmets to protect our heads. Do you want some helmets? A dusty rock climbing helmet, bicycle helmet, skydiving helmet, power tools, power tools, power tools. So the strategy going forward, I think I'm gonna use the Let Go app. I've used that twice already and it's worked out. It's pretty easy. You just meet someone somewhere public and you give them the thing, they give you the money. Pretty cool little app. Obviously I'll use Craigslist because that's well known. Facebook Marketplace, I'm not really sure how well that will work, but I think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try it. If you have any tips or suggestions on how to sell a lot of things, a lot of weird things in a short amount of time, we have about 4 months, let us know. So I realize this is a really short video and I don't know if it's value added to you because I'm still going through the process of selling everything and I haven't really learned a whole lot yet, but I know that I will. And when I learn how this process works, the easiest way to do it, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, so tune in next week because we're going to the Dominican Republic for a scuba diving trip and we're staying at an all-inclusive resort. So I'll be making a couple videos about that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember, Always be yourself, unless you can be a skydiving samurai. Then be a skydiving samurai, especially if you know someone who's selling parachute and samurai swords.